Facing an unexpected relocation? In this video, we'll show you how to find urgent professional movers you can trust when you need them most. When time is short and pressure is high, you need a moving company specializing in last-minute long-distance hauls. These professionals move quickly, but never cut corners. From cross-country moves to state-to-state transitions, they handle logistics, packing, and transportation on tight timelines, with precision and care. Last-minute relocations often cost more, especially during peak moving season from April to September. Weekends and month-end dates drive prices higher, but flexibility can save you money. Moving mid-week or off-season can drastically reduce rates. The only way to know: get multiple quotes fast. Here are some example price ranges for urgent long-distance moves. Your exact price depends on distance, home size, and service level. Top-rated last-minute movers offer companies like XYZ Movers, ABC Moving Services, and DEF Relocation Experts are known for swift response and high-quality results under pressure. Click the link below or call to speak with a relocation expert and lock in your moving date today.